Well, we're just on our way to another escapade, aren't we? Escapade. We've been travelling for a bit and we're finally getting close and we've got a surprise.
We're so nearly there.
We're so nearly there. Right, we'll be back. We'll be back after these short
Collection
messages.
capers!
Collection capers!
So, we made a purchase. Now, I may come to regret this one. Don't buy with your heart. We'll see you at HQ.
Hello. Welcome to a little midweek update on Whiteland restorations. Would you like to tell everybody why we're here?
Have I had all my purchasing rights revoked this year?
And next year.
Next
and
year.
the year after. It's your birthday and Christmas present all wrapped up into one.
Well, I didn't buy a Volvo that needed 2 years of restoration.
Yeah, but it's beautiful.
This will be beautiful within a couple of weeks.
Well, we've got a story to tell you.
Yeah, so anyway, collection capers.
Collection caper, look at it.
Look at it.
Look at it. You
Look
might
at-
think we've
look at-
already got one of those.
Look at all of this.
Yeah, feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't try the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't try the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now. Told him on the lay. I've been moving dog. Yeah, I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk. Don't care what they say. I don't got no patience. I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it. Running up all these digits. And I've been in the gym. I've been up doing minutes. I just put in that work. Told them it's strictly business. And I see through the face. They all just burning bridges. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told them check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't try to ball.
Why do I do it to myself?
What have you done? What have you done? We now have two E46 convertibles.
Now, it wouldn't seem too bad apart from it came with spare turbo parts and the clutch sounds like it's about to leave
the
orbit.
building. It is different. It is the diesel version.
It's the diesel version. It's the facelift of the diesel version. It is still an M Sport. It is still a high-spec M Sport. It's also 06, which is one of the
They're
last.
one of the last ones,
One
yeah.
of the last of them, so it doesn't get any.
Besides all of that, it's a very special car. Why is it special?
It's special to me. I bought this car back in 2015
That's going back a while, isn't
when
it?
it was only had 63,000 miles, and it was a category car. I bought it from Copart. I'd never intended on selling it. I bought it for myself. And somebody rocked up and went, "Oh, that's nice. Can I buy that?" And I went, "Well, no, not really. It's for me." And he went, "Yeah, but money." And I went, "Yeah,
Name your price.
Yeah, right, money."
And he went, "Yeah, okay."
And,
You sold
we
it.
we both agreed on a price, and I didn't see it again for 2 years. I think I saw it in Tesco's down in Cardigan Way, and I could have cried. After lovingly rebuilt from here, it had been smashed on every corner. It had just looked terrible. It had been completely abused.
But the
and
thing
I
is,
liked the car. I owned
You
it long
regretted
enough.
it every day you
I
sold
owned it long enough to fall for it.
Yeah. But you
And-
regretted selling it.
I regretted selling this. I've loved every E46 I've had. Bar one.
But we saw it pop up for sale on Facebook
Locally,
Marketplace
yeah.
locally, and it was
And-
like, oh my god, we need to go and have a look at this car.
And
Lewis
I
saw
should-
no. Lewis saw one thing. Insert clip.
I haven't done that bit yet,
Yeah.
but we'll do that bit, yeah.
And that was it. Basically, it was sold.
Yeah.
It's a bit worse for wear. It's a bit worse. It could possibly be.
Worst comes to worst, we need a roof for the other one.
Yeah.
We need a nicer interior. This has got actually quite a nice colour interior. The ivory white colour.
Worst case, we can part it out. But
yeah, absolutely.
it only needs a little bit. It needs a paint job. The paint is knackered. We're going to go through a nearly in detailed episode of everything wrong with Lewis's lost love E46.
Oh man,
you're laughing.
That's a long list.
You're trying to hide stuff.
That's a long episode.
It's going to be a long episode.
I don't know what's happened to the bonnet.
A lot.
Can you hear that from there? Listen to this.
Oh,
Sorry if that went straight to you. Apologies. It's like that all over the thing. The doors are all right.
Well, maybe. The central locking's not working, but the boot, that's got something going on.
What's happened to the boot?
But the roof works.
The roof works. It goes central locking.
No,
not so much.
But it has, it's got xenon lights. It's got some wheels.
They need restoring.
They need restoring terribly. Yeah. Might even need replacing. I don't know if they're too far gone. But like I said, we'll look through that on the episode.
Yeah.
But here it is, and have we officially christened this one now? It didn't have a name with Lewis before, but it...
No, we haven't christened it
We haven't christened it yet.
I'm not sure.
We're thinking of a name, but there isn't a single panel on here that's not got something wonky going on.
Yeah, do you want to, should we do a walk around?
Let's do a quick sneak peek walk around.
A walk around start?
I say we start at the front.
At the front?
Yes, at the front.
Okay. Would you like me to just point at things with my pointers?
Point at things.
That's quite weird and rusty.
Yeah, there's definitely...
and that. And all of this.
If you look under the lovely skin, it's all blistering.
It's all blistered up. And it looks like it's been rattle canned.
Yeah.
The grill's still nice.
That has got to go. Hate squirrel badges
that's got to
being put
go.
on
We
cars.
might take that off today.
Yeah, that's going straight. Oh, look, here you go. Oh, look. Whiteland Restorations is still there. How are we doing for fog lamps? I could use them on mine.
Hey.
Oh, that one's got water in it. Oh. Right, the headlights seem more... Are these glass or plastic?
Plastic. They've lasted nicely.
They've lasted.
That is coming out. I don't know why.
Rust, I'd say.
Random. This wing, no idea.
It's an unusual texture on the paint.
Yeah.
Somebody's put some screw holes in the front bumper, look, to try and hold it in.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that's not good, is it?
That's not ideal.
Other than the paintwork on this wing is horrific. Whatever's happened to it, it looks like it's lived in like
a tree.
Harsh sun has burnt all of this paint off.
I don't know. I've seen cars in the Middle East that didn't look this bad.
I don't know. It's almost patina. You
are not rat rodding this.
It's almost patina. Anyway, yeah. This wheel has been curbed and it's rusty and I don't know, badges got on them.
Discs, calipers.
The wing mirrors, apparently, they were electric and they do that electrically, but not anymore. So I don't know why that is.
Did you get any resistance then when you were moving?
No, might just be seized and broke.
Might just be seized and broke.
The wind again. This has gone all types of horrible.
So oxidised.
The tops of the doors, it's like it's been burnt,
Yeah.
Tree sap maybe, and then scrubbing it off with a brush, and it's just burnt it all. Door looks alright. That's a bonus.
There's not a lot of dinks in it, to be honest.
No, door looks alright.
So it's quite straighter than the one on the other one.
This rear quarter, again, fairly win.
Yeah.
It's got some rusty issues. We'll have to dig that. That looks like it's coming through.
I'm not convinced the ride height's right back here.
I don't think so either. I think someone's put the wrong springs on.
Well, that'll need investigating.
Yeah. And then there's...
yeah. The roof's in really good condition apart from all this sheep fluff or something. I don't know. Maybe that's what the sheep have been rolling on it or something.
Yeah, it's those little flowers that...
Is it the flowers? Well, anyway, we need to go a really good detail on the roof. There's a couple of stains and stuff. But
the butt end.
The butt end.
We have a quite large bit of rust here. We have obviously.
Look at this. Look at it. I don't know if you could.
No idea.
I don't know what it is. It's not like mould or anything.
Again, it looks like it's all been burned by the sun.
Yeah, maybe they've I don't know, washed it in TFR or something.
Too
and-
many times, yeah.
Yeah.
Gone down
Neat.
the old garage with the brush too many times.
Oh, glass. Not
Glass.
shattered. See,
Again, M Sport badge.
get it off.
Off.
Look
Hold
at
on.
it. It's not even on straight.
These filler spreaders, metal filler spreaders that you can get from us, are
Beautiful.
fantastic badge removers.
As long as you're careful. Look at that. See you later badge. Hope that was in shot. The boot. Oh, the boot work. The boot work.
There's
Look,
the turbo.
there's the turbo. We've got, well, some bits of a turbo. We've got the
Innards.
innards and we got, look at this, 2 glow plugs, which I don't know if they're a
Do you know what
brand.
is weird? It came with these.
Why has it got 2 fuel
I
taps?
don't know.
Is there a fueling problem?
I don't think so. Hold on. Open sesame.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells. Is there any CDs in there?
Yes.
No way. Oh, I love it when we get
Oh,
CDs.
yeah.
Do you know what? I'd laugh so much if these are your old CDs.
No.
Cafe Latino.
Oh, just that one.
Oh, man.
We're going to listen to that.
We're going to listen to that, yeah. But there's a bit of a sniff coming from here.
Yeah.
There seems to be a bit of wet as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, what's this? That's off something. We'll leave that there. I don't know. Do you know what the battery's in?
It's,
in there,
it's
isn't
under
it?
there. Yeah. We don't need to see
We
that.
do need to see that.
This is looking crap.
Yes, they need.
The
looking.
bolts.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to check if the toolkit's still intact. What do you think?
10 mils got to be missing. It's always missing.
10 mils missing out the other one.
That's
If
gotta be
the
missing.
10 mils in here, I'm having it. Ooh, we got a full-on toolkit. Check
Full
that
house.
out. Hold on, that's not supposed to be down there like
No, it
that.
isn't.
Hold on, helps if I film what I'm doing. There we go. There we go.
Ah, the
Fixed
first
it.
fix.
First fix. So that's all good. I don't know if I was filming any of that. I'm getting too carried away. What's that do? That lever?
Well, that, when the roof is up, if you pull that,
Yeah.
you get more trunk space somehow.
Ooh.
I think there's a pull and a push. There we go.
Oh, brilliant.
More trunk space.
That's loads of trunk space. That's
Yeah.
more space than the Yeti.
But if you want the roof down, you have to have it down,
Yeah.
obviously, because that's...
Do you want to put it down in case you forget? Because I want to put the roof down.
Okay.
There we go.
Right, boot.
Good,
Inspected.
good. Now this car, believe it or not, has a full year green MOT.
Yeah.
Bit of water in the lights there.
How, but it has.
It does. The paperwork is there.
Right, we have extensive rust on this side. Oh, that's a big piece. We're going to need an arch, I think.
I'd say we definitely
And maybe
and
an
an
inner.
inner. Yuck.
Right.
Right, look at this wheel. This wheel is so scabby.
Again, the wheel. This must have been hedged. Well, this is hedge side, isn't it? So
Yeah.
again, with the spray there, weird.
So weird. But yet, no dinks. It's so straight.
Not too bad, like.
Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've had to film holding the hand. I don't know if I'm macking it up a bit.
Maybe.
Maybe, but look. So look, interior. Got electric seats. Is it a square one?
Lots of M badging.
Lots of M badging. This one doesn't have heated seats actually, but it does have tyre pressure monitoring.
Oh, I just noticed it has a window. It has the thingy.
It has the dust trap.
And, oh, it's still here.
The first aid kit, yay!
First aid kit.
Has the wind deflector. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But there's been there's been no modifications to it, has there?
No, they've just driven it into the
Just
ground.
driven it into the ground.
Well, to be fair, yeah, no, they have. They've driven it into the ground. Poor car.
But it's actually only got, what, 115,000 miles?
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
too bad.
Is the thing. There it is.
Right. Lovely 6-cylinder.
That is the old bonnet up.
Obviously we can't check levels with you at the moment because it's hot. We've just driven it here.
Just
But
checking
look at that.
the-
You see this? There's no water pissing out of it. Isn't that nice?
It's not a fountain.
It's not a fountain. But no, oh my God. There's a whole squirrel's nest in there. But we will have it all detailed and restored. I think, are we going to do a full restoration on this?
Well, what do you mean by full restoration? It's not having a nut and bolt.
Mechanically, paintwork, interior, the whole shebang.
I think it's going to be cheaper to replace the bonnet than fix it.
Right.
Because it's rusted everywhere.
To be honest, I could probably get a good one off a Scrappy.
Yeah, try. Well, it's specific. Is it specific for the convertible? I think it might be specific for the convertible.
I shall check whether the
They have
wings
different wings
are,
for sure.
Oh my god, just look at it. Look at that stupid M badge. Get that off.
Oh, they're on bolts.
Nut and bolts. But no, it is not bad. It's just very tatty. Very tatty. And this is yet another heart speaks before the head purchase, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we will bring this back to its former glory.
Yeah, that's all the way around. Shall we see the roof?
I want to see the roof in action.
I think the
it's thinking about it.
I think the fluid could do a change. That's why it's so slow.
Yeah, but it's doing it.
I think it needs some fluid in there.
And some lubrication.
A service.
I was not happy about doing that.
Is that it?
I don't know. The windows aren't down.
No, hold on.
Now the windows are up. We did it. Look at that. It's only a bloody convertible.
Ooh.
It's a convertible where the roof works. It's not smashed. But I'm a little bit concerned that headrest has popped.
Yeah, I'm concerned the headrest has popped as well, but we'll figure that out when we get there.
Yeah, we'll have to do a reset. Beautiful.
Anyway.
So, that's it.
Terrible idea.
Sometimes you just have to do what you've got to do, haven't you?
You've got to do. I make terrible decisions.
But the fact is, we now have his and hers.
Yeah.
And it's going to be hilarious, I think. Get this up to a good standard. Get the other one actually on the road.
I will get this up to really nice again. It'll never lose its title with the write-off.
Stuff in the glove box.
But because I'm the one who repaired it in the first place, I know how bad it wasn't that bad. It needed a wing and a bonnet and a bumper.
Yeah, well, you know what they're like. We're writing off things.
Pack.
But
nothing else.
But we will have fun doing it, won't we?
Pack. I'm going to have loads of fun doing it. Yeah.
You love adding extra work to the workload.
I do. It is it is a hobby of mine to just collect work.
You need a new gear knob.
Yeah. It's not too hard.
You're always pulling off your knob.
Rude.
Fixed it. Right then, guys. That's it. We'll do an in-depth walk around. We'll have a look underneath because...
Yeah, underneath. We'll have to have a look underneath.
We had a little look with a torch, but you know how it is.
It's hard to see underneath.
It's hard to see underneath.
Well, the ramp's there. Should we have a look at it now?
We need to save that for the big episode. You're just too eager to get onto it.
Yeah.
Right, that's the next episode. We'll make a list of everything that's wrong with...
The list.
The list.
We'll call it
the list. Everything that's wrong with it. Okie dokie.
Oh, what's in here?
Why you got a CD up there and change in the back?
That's what I have.
Ooh! Hits of the 60s.
Of the 60s. What?
You can't play it. You get demonetized. Right then, guys. Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah,
please send help.
Many helps.
Many helps. Subscribe if you haven't. That'll help us out. Watch the videos. Share it to people who like to watch people make big mistakes.
I can see a new T-shirt coming. A picture of a crappy E46 convertible and the slogan that says, I make bad life choices.
How about we go and put the engine in the other one and make bad choices together?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, because we haven't finished that one yet.
I now have a family of BMWs again.
You do?
Yeah. Oh dear.
Oh, right, that's our cue. Bye guys, see you later.
Bye, ciao.
Ciao.
Numbers off, I was checking on your numbers, told them something's off. I was at the bottom, now you know I'm climbing. Now they sending deals, they know I ain't signing. They been trying to sell